Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Davidaeditss, and today I'll be showing you how to download cute fonts from thefont.com and giving you some ideas to get you started. You'll need Safari and files to do this today. So first head into Safari and type in the search bar thefont.com. This is the home page of thefont.com, and there's so many different categories of fonts in the top bar thing. I'm going to tap on calligraphy. So yeah, this is like how I'm going to show you today. So I'm just going to pick one of these fonts. When you're downloading a font from thefont.com, you have to go next to the font where it says download and click on that. So I picked cream cake and I just pressed download and press download in the middle of the screen again. Then go in the top right corner where it has the download arrow and press on that. Then go tap on cream cake, and this is where you need files. So press select and then select cream cake and press the little share button, and you want to copy that to thefont.com. to FONTO. So now you just want to press install next to the word cream cake, and now your font is installed and you can use it. So I'm just going to show you here, just me on a plain image, just showing you how the font looks. I just wrote anything and just go on cream cake and it's there. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below which other videos I should do. Turn on those post notifications. Bye.